Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Alright, don't worry, you're not losing your mind. I did use the same intro as on my previous video because why not? I know that last time there was a lot of talking about sneakers, so this had to be about something completely different. And I wanted to post another food video. This is going to be a short one. I will state my classic disclaimer that I'm not a chef or a cook and this is not a food channel. So, nakkikastike. This is a dish from Finland, technically a hot dog sauce served over boiled potatoes. A while back I've seen a video and I really wanted to try it because it's so simple to make. And as with a lot of recipes, there's an authentic version, but you can also make it your own. I hope that Finnish people won't get upset. And as with everything, first you need to be in the mood to make it. So this is my version. You need hot dogs. I've used about 5, but it depends on the size you find.
Yeah, boy.
And of course you can use sausages. You need 1 onion, a pepper, bacon, or any smoked pork product, because it makes everything better. 2 spoons of bolognese pasta sauce instead of ketchup, because it has more stuff in it, and cooking cream instead of the flour that's traditionally used to thicken this. I've served over simple boiled potatoes with beautiful pickled cucumbers on the side, and the second time I've made this, I've added fresh dill. Chop the hot dogs in half-inch pieces about 1.5 centimeters, dice the bacon, onion and pepper. You can sear the bacon with a bit of oil to avoid it burning, add the onion and pepper, and after a few minutes add the diced hot dogs. But you can also chuck everything in the pan at once for sure, like I did the first time, because it doesn't really matter. Then add the pasta sauce, stir and allow everything to dance and mingle for a few minutes, and then cover everything with water and let simmer and reduce for maybe 30 to 40 minutes. In this time you can boil the potatoes, you can use any type you want. Alright, so stir this from time to time and after it's reduced to your liking, towards the end add the cooking cream. I've added a few spoons, this was 20% fat, so a bit heavy, and then let everything simmer again for a few more minutes. For plating, grab a few potatoes and dice them or crush them in the center of a plate or a bowl. Add the thickened sauce over them to your liking. Add some fresh dill and cornichons to the side. Check out this other way of plating. I've sliced some boiled potatoes and fried them slightly. Man, I'm telling you, this was extremely delicious and cheap to make. Even when doing this voiceover, I was really starting to crave it.
That's what she said.
But let me know what do you think about my version of nakkikastike. If you ever made it, and thank you for watching.